Scrolling through other people's wins can feel like proof you are behind, but comparison only steals your confidence. Here's how to flip that mindset fast. One quick way is to remind yourself why your journey is valuable on its own. Let me show you how to do that with ChatGPT. I just typed this into ChatGPT. Pause the video if you want to copy it. As you can see, it instantly gives 5 reminders of why your path matters. I like to keep one or two of these saved on my phone so I can reread them whenever comparison sneaks in. This quick exercise is useful, but the real transformation comes when you reframe your story at the root and anchor self belief so comparison no longer runs the show. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge helps you do. It's a 5 step, beginner friendly program that walks you through the full method step by step. And beyond the lessons, you will also get a personal one on one advisor to guide you through the challenge, plus 30 days of daily confidence boosting mantras to reinforce your growth every morning. It's only $7 to get started, and you can jump in today. The link is right below this video. Take that small step now and start building confidence that's yours, not borrowed from anyone else's journey.